Hello everyone. Today we will be comparing and constructing two powerful educational platforms, which is the PhET Interactive Simulation and CK12 Organization. Both of these tools are designed to make learning science and mathematics more engaging, but they have distinct features that they set them apart. So, without further ado, let's dive in. So in the may I just introduce you the PhET simulation. So first, let's talk about PhET interactive simulations. It is developed by the University of Colorado Boulder. PhET provides free, interactive, and research-based simulations primarily in physics, chemistry, biology, earth science, and mathematics. So there are key features of PhET. First is interactive simulations, which means engaging game-like environments. Second is the visual learning, or it helps students grasp abstract concepts. Next is the customizable. Teachers can adjust settings to modify difficult levels. Next is the offline accessibility. Some simulations can be downloaded for offline use. So, for example, let's take the gravity and orbit simulation. So here, the students can manipulate planetary orbits or understand gravitational force. So this hands-on approach allows for deeper comprehension of abstract scientific principles. So moving on, now let us proceed to introduction of CK12 organization. Let's explore CK12 organization. So CK12 is an open source educational platform that offers digital textbook, interactive lessons, and adaptive practice exercises in science, math, and other subjects. So there are key features of CK12. First is the Flexbook, where free digital textbook that can be customized. Next is the simulation and adaptive practice, interactive exercises that adjust based on student performance. Next is the concept-based learning, focuses on breaking down topics into manageable lessons. Lastly is the multi-format resources, includes videos, quizzes, and real-world applications. So recently we have used the CK12 organization, the CK12 quizzes, which is super engaging to the student. So now let us contrast the CK12 and the PhET simulation. So first, we have here the features. Features are the main focus, interactivity, customization, subjects covered, and offline access. So in PhET simulation, its main focus is the interactive science and math simulations. In CK12 organizations naman is the digital textbook, simulations, and practice exercises. So in the interactivity, highly interactive physics-based models includes, sa CK12 naman includes quizzes, videos, and adaptive exercises. In customization, limited customization for teachers, and also Flexbooks allow teachers to modify content. Subject covered primarily science and math, and in CK12 is science, math, English, history, and more. In offline access, some simulations downloadable, and in CK12 content can be printed or saved. So as you can see, both platforms offer great resources, but they serve different purposes. PhET is best for interactive hands-on learnings, while CK12 is more comprehensive, covering multiple subjects with flexible content for different learning styles. So, if you're looking for engaging interactive simulations to visual scientific concept, PET is a great choice. But if you want a more structured approach with reading quizzes and exercises, the CK12 is the best way to go. So that wraps up our comparison of PET simulation and CK12 organization. Both platforms offers unique advantages, so choose the one that fits your learning style best. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. See you next time.